In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Max Blue in Crest Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get and use Max Blue in Crest Arena. You will be able to use Max Blue as the strongest sorcerer. So all that you have to do is go over to the characters, choose the strongest sorcerer, and then you have to fill out the Infinity Godhood bar. Once you are ready to awaken, you will be able to use Max Blue. So first, something that I need to make very clear is that you will be able to get Max Blue as a drop from a boss. So as you can see, if you kill the strongest boss and you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you have a 12% chance of getting the moveset. So this is what you have to do to get Max Blue. So once you kill the strongest boss, and if you get lucky by being in the top 3 damage dealers, you will be able to get Max Blue. You will get a notification, and then after you get it, all that you have to do is awaken. So go over to your awaken form, and as you might be aware, in Infinity Godhood, you can use all of the new moves. So right now we have Crimson Flare, Black Flash, Hollow Purple, and then Domain Expansion. Now sadly, I won't be able to visually demonstrate Max Blue in this video. This is because, as I said, you have to unlock the move. And because I still haven't unlocked Max Blue, I won't be able to do it here. But if you did have Max Blue available, it would be an option immediately upon awakening in Infinity Godhood, and you would be able to press and hold the ability to do a lot of damage. So this is all you have to do to use Max Blue in Cursed Arena. As long as you are playing as the awakened form of the strongest sorcerer, you would be able to choose it there upon unlocking the ability. So keep that in mind. For you to use Max Blue, you need to defeat the strongest sorcerer boss, and if you are in the top 3 damage dealers, you will have a chance of acquiring it. Of course, you can also use all of the other moves, including Domain Expansion, and I'm going to do it here just to finish off the video. But if you want to use Max Blue specifically, get it as a drop, and afterwards, you will be able to use it when you awaken in Infinity Godhood. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Max Blue in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.